Organizing my fidgets, part 1. I'm going to be moving all of these fidgets into that new drawer. I'm going to start with emptying all of my fidgets on my bed. It's so crazy seeing all of my fidgets in one place. So now I'm going to have to move all of these fidgets into there. In my first drawer, I think I'm going to start with my poppets and dimples. Speaking of dimples, I got this dimple as well as all of these simple dimples from infinitefidgets.com. The shipping for these fidgets were free, so if you guys would like to purchase these, the link will be in my bio. I'm going to put all of my poppets inside of this really cute basket. This is the best I could do. If I get any more poppets, I could probably fit some inside of the space. And it fits really nicely in my drawer. Now moving on to all of my dimples. First drawer completed. Organizing the rest of my fidgets and
these, the marble and the mesh. I'll put the name of what they're called. This little maze with the little ball. This puzzle ball. Spiky balls. Slinky. Rings. Pea pod. And in here I have squishy. Squish. One of these.
Guess the song that I'm playing on my Poppet, Extremely Hard Edition. And sadly, this will probably be the last part of Guess the Song I'm Playing on My Poppet, unless you guys have some more suggestions for rounds. Maybe like a holiday edition or something. Or maybe people can like request songs. But anyways, the answer to the last round was Believer. And a lot of people thought it was Thunder for some reason. It didn't really sound like it, but I guess you could still hear it. Okay, let's get into this round now.
Got 2 Rubik's Cubes. Got one of these squishies. And I have 3 of these kind with the little balls inside. And this squishy dinosaur. I also have this squishy unicorn. Many stretchy strings. The thicker ones are harder to stretch. The thinner ones are easier to stretch.
Fidgets, please buy me fidgets, small and big, any type of fidgets.
Scamming people who are buying their needles. Okay, so I saw this video on my For You page, and as a stress ball and needle collector, I thought I had to say something about it. Basically, this girl was saying that Walmart is switching out their color-changing Neatos for fake Neatos. I know that doesn't really make sense, but let me explain. So if you have a color-changing Neato, you know they don't have like a Neato logo on them like the other ones. But that doesn't mean they're fake. I'm not sure why the logo isn't on the color-changing ones, but it's real, trust me.
Use this sound if you have fidgets. Show me a loud fidget. A quiet fidget. Show me a big fidget. Show me your favorite stress ball. Show me your favorite squishy. Show me a small fidget. Show me your most colorful fidget. And last, show me a fidget you take on the go a lot.
That didn't just happen. Might as well just squeeze the rest out. The heck? There goes my ASMR video.
Say you are my baka.
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product. Yes, I know they're just toys. This is also one of my favorite products. These are my newest products. Also a new product.
Pop it, 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 pop it.
I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. You don't like the fidgets we have? What's wrong with them? Nothing? You just want to do some fidget trading? Okay. What should we trade? You want to trade this new fidget? You think we'll get good stuff for it? Okay, I guess we can trade it. Trading giant Orbeez waffle. Going once, going twice. Me, please, that's my dream. I can't find them anywhere, please. Okay, what's your offer? I'll offer a fidget spinner, a marble and mesh, this homemade Lego button. I don't know, Octi, is that fair? Sorry, no, you're gonna have to add. Okay, I'll add a puzzle ball, an infinity cube, and a wacky trap. I mean, that seems pretty fair. What do you think? Sorry, no, you're gonna have to add a little more. Fine, I'll add this Orbeez mesh ball, this Orbeez dough ball, and a dimple. Come on, that has to be fair. Okay, we have a deal. My friends rate my fidgets. We're gonna do this box first. What do you rate it?
I rated a 7 out of 10.
What do you rate this one?
7 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
I rated a 6 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
1 out of 10. It sucks.
What do you rate it?
I rated a 9 out of 10.
What do you rate this one?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
What do you rate this one?
I rate a 7 out of 10 because my dog eats it.
What do you rate the mochis?
I give it a 7.
What do you rate this one?
I hate it.